All right, everybody. Hello there, CryptoVin, back with another video. This time I'm going to be doing another quick tutorial on how to purchase an NFT on the KleverNFT website using your Clever K5 wallet app. So log into your wallet. The bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see browser and a little globe on top of that. Click on that. It's going to bring you to the Clever browser page here where I'm on now. In type a web address, you're going to put www.clevernft.com. It'll bring you to the KleverNFT website. But in my case, I have it here under favorites, so I'm going to click on favorites, then KleverNFT, and it brings me to the website here, KleverNFT. All right, so at the very top, you can see a circle with a blue plus symbol. That means your wallet is connected. So to the right of that, there's going to be several horizontal lines. Click on that. Again, you're going to see connected wallet. And here you're going to press Launchpad. So click on Launchpad, and it'll bring you to the Clever Launchpad here. So I'm going to click on Rock, Paper, Sasquatch. And I'm going to buy an NFT from them. Here you can see how much has been minted and the price and max supply and creator royalties, and it talks a little bit about the project and some milestones as the NFTs are sold, and et cetera, et cetera. So I'm going to go over here to buy now. Click buy now. And I'm going to pay with Clever. Quantity is 1. So if you want to buy more, just increase that, obviously. And you're going to see my balance there, price per NFT, and 1 NFT I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to press buy now. Processing transaction. I'm going to confirm the transaction. Going to put in my PIN. And there you go. The action was successfully sent to the blockchain. And there's my transaction hash there. So if you want to see the transaction, just click on that. Click on the link. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next video.